Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw crypto from Revolut to wallet. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your Revolut mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you are on the home page, you will have to tap on the crypto section. Then you need to tap on send option. Afterwards, you need to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to send. Then you need to select one of the already added compatible wallets, or if you want to add a new one, then you will have to tap on the new tab in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you can paste a new wallet address in the search bar to proceed. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to send to or withdraw. Afterwards, you need to tap on the send button in the bottom. Once done, you will be redirect on the next page where you need to review the transfer. So basically you need to review all of the information that you have mentioned previously regarding the recipient as well as the wallet address. If everything is correct, then you will have to tap on the transfer button in the bottom, and this way your transfer will be initiated and you are going to withdraw your crypto from Revolut to another wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.